باورم نمیشه. هنوزم فکر میکنی داشتن صدای جذاب ذاتیه؟ خب اشتباه میکنی. این ویدیو رو ببین.
of yours for so many years. Did you always have that voice? Was it a natural gift?
No. It's not a natural gift at all. I don't think any voice is a natural gift. Someone helps you get it.
Really?
Yeah.
That never occurred. I mean, honestly, never occurred to me that that's something that you worked on. How would you? What was your voice like before you started?
It was high. I had a very thick Southern accent. I was raised in Mississippi. He gave us voice and diction and voice development. And voice development is where he starts working you down in your register.
I notice voice just because I've really never liked mine, and so when I hear someone with a terrific voice, I think how.
هنوزم باور نمیکنی نه؟ پیجمو فالو کن و کلمه صدا رو توی کامنت ها برام بفرست تا بهت ثابت بکنم که با تمرین میتونی صدا تو جذاب بکنی.